For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
A couple of years prior, cryptographic money probably implied some off-putting or hidden world banking or financial term to individuals, including obscure dealers. However, today the whole situation has seen a change in perspective. As a matter of fact, going against the norm, it is the fiat framework whose roots are shaken in pandemic, unfit to endure a downturn. Laid out through mining, these computerized monetary standards are picking up speed and appear to be enduring all recessionary money-related storms. Basically, digital money is a totally decentralized cash mostly founded on a blockchain calculation. That blockchain organization will affirm and confirm all new sections into the record and any progressions to it. Among the four driving digital forms of money, viz. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether likewise highlight Near Protocol as a dominating player. Close to protocol cryptocurrency, let's near the roots. The powerful arrangements presented by Near are the result of the cerebrums and work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists who have loaned their wonderful commitment to these striking administrations. Made by engineers Alex Skdanov and Ilya Polosukin, both of whom have broad involvement with programming. They made the convention principally as framework for innovation to have decentralized applications, dapps. It is no big surprise that it stands contrasted with crypto Goliaths like Ethereum and other driving brilliant agreement-empowered blockchains. Close to protocol's local token is likewise called Near and is utilized to pay for exchange expenses and capacity. Taking out siloed network opens the genuine capability of a whole biological system of novel installment doors that are quick, secure, and minimal expense. Close custom tailored of a legacy and values which are established on the system of more noteworthy financial reasonableness and a chance for all through exploration, training, and magnanimity. Close to protocol, nearing the advantages. The focal point of Near Protocol has been to satisfy developing consumer needs by opening the force of blockchain and find success in definitely speeding up the speed, cost, and reliability of masses, particularly in the manner in which they execute exchanges. Close to convention has likewise fundamentally dissolved the job of middle people by welcoming all monetary arrangements on a decentralized foundation. With a plenty of contributions, a Near coin is a conspicuous selection of financial backers because of rapid, cost productivity, and reliability security. Close to convention, as it were, can be known as an equivalent to facilitator of savvy agreement and public proof of stake, POS, blockchain with a mentality to be easy to use, integrating highlights like intelligible record names rather than just cryptographic wallet addresses, and the capacity for new clients to cooperate with dapps and brilliant agreements without requiring a wallet by any means. With a completely unique way to deal with versatility through sharding, Near Protocol has been an answer supplier by handling, discussing, approving, and finishing exchanges to different hubs. The urgent benefit of sharding has been to diminish the computational burden by parting or parceling the organization into shards, or pieces. This would, thusly, speed up network limit. Close to convention utilizes a sale framework to pick validators each age around like clockwork, and validators who have more critical stakes have more impact in the agreement cycle. Close to protocol price predictions, market sentiment. With the sort of high unpredictability included, anticipating or giving a conjecture of the fate of a digital money has consistently represented a test in any event, for the best of specialists or the dealer local area. A portion of the famous specialists have made the accompanying near cost expectations for working with monetary choices by financial backers. In view of our near cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The future cost figure for 2026 is $63.297. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 502.77%. In light of Near Protocol price prediction 2022, the coin could hit its next obstruction level of $14.98 before the current year's over. It is fitting to add a Near token to your portfolio as it holds long-haul procuring potential and it might offer a decent profit from venture. Close to protocol has been showing a rising inclination. As indicated by our specialized investigation and near cost expectation, The future cost of Near Protocol is anticipated at $44.8208798 following a year. Close to protocol cost today is around $10.52. Our drawn-out near cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. It has a colossal chance of surpassing its ongoing all-time high, ATH, of $7.56 this year. Nonetheless, it might reach $12.60 soon, coming to $20 in the event that financial backers have arranged that Near is a wise interest in 2022. Close to protocol price forecast, 2022 to 2026. Assumptions from blockchain norms make certain to fill considering the previous pandemic toward the finish of 2022, as per the new information report of Moody. Close to protocol cryptographic money is the third biggest digital currency, and by 2023, it is searching for some progressions. Going by the authentic information, future cost patterns, and our crypto coin cost forecast, the Near protocol cost might come to the $10 mark this year with its coalitions and accomplices on a development bench keeping fingers crossed. The ongoing cost of Near protocol remains at $10.50 with a market cap of $6,788,602,686.69 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $879,909,917.58. The ongoing flowing stock of Near protocol remains at $645,747,533 Near. Close to protocol price prediction 2022. Keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the Near protocol token is ready for a rise sign even in the following year, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example, particularly the manner in which it exchanges inside the bounds of a balanced triangle on the hourly graph, the Near coin worth could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting in the scope of $12.15. Close to protocol price prediction 2023. Going by the insight about more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for the Near coin's team, particularly with rivals getting up to speed, the intensity or the market reflecting gigantic instability. There is an anticipated possibility of Near costs causing a misfortune, showing some obstruction however just pitiful, dropping to a help level of $16.52 once more. Close to protocol price prediction 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Near protocol will control the crypto coin realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $17.92. This is identical